What's up, guys? LD Moto back with you, and today we're gonna get back onto the SYX-R. There's a lot of little things I want to kind of get finished up on it. Not much has changed since the last time you guys have seen it, but this video there's gonna be some changes for sure. I'm gonna start tearing it down, but before I do that, I gotta get another bracket welded back here on the back. Originally, I was planning to make it removable, but I'm an idiot and I didn't plan that properly because I welded the screws to this side and the nut to this side, which would make it very difficult to remove. Well, at least that's what I was thinking at the time. I don't know. I'm not an expert metal or an engineer. I just go with kind of an idea. But yeah, guys, today we're gonna get into that, and yeah, there's probably gonna be a few other things because I'm gonna try and get done. But first thing, I'm gonna try and tear it down and see what we can get done. But yeah, before I tear it down, I gotta do this. Oh, you guys want to see this running? It definitely still runs, and I don't know if I'm gonna upload the video I made about that just yet, but this is probably gonna be first. I don't know, but I'm spicing this up, especially if we get over a certain amount of stickers sold. So yeah, today is gonna be about the SYX-R. So stick around, guys, and see if we can clean this thing up a little bit. I know she's a little rough right now, but as we go, I'm sure our builds and everything we do will just get a little bit better. So thank you guys for watching, and let's get on to this thing. Alright, so well, first I'm going to have to probably go get the plastics to get a good feel for it. But, oh, welder. I don't know if you can see this very well, but this was the original full frame mount that I was trying to make for the SYX, and I want to try and reuse it. I know it's rebar. It's not going to be much. It's basically just for a little grab back bar back here. So notice when we're going to grab it off a stand or anything, there's nothing there, so it's kind of a pain. I need to clean that up. Yeah, just get on it. So I'm gonna go grab that. I'll be right back, and we'll catch up with you guys once I actually get a little bit of progress made on this thing. Yeah, SYX-R. Alrighty. So she's pretty square. I mean, nothing's bolted on right now. I got a little glare on there. I just need a little hoop right here, and I think that'll do. It's just making sure I get solid enough weld on that it doesn't just break off when it's being bounced on or anything. So I'm gonna figure that out. I'm actually gonna run to Harbor Freight and probably grab something, and yeah. Oh man, this is gonna be, I mean, it shouldn't be difficult because really right in there, I think a nice hoop will do just fine. So I'm gonna get onto that. Actually, take care of that in here in just a few minutes, and we'll see. Alrighty, guys. I know it's rebar, but I feel like my welding skills are getting just a little better. I probably could have added a little more feed to it. I mean, it is a flux core, so she's doing pretty good. I'm gonna clean it up so it doesn't look horrible like rebar. I'm gonna reinforce it, but yeah, getting there. Let's keep it focused. Yeah, I gotta clean that weld off, but not too bad. Especially because I haven't welded in a while. I just kind of be patient with it. But yeah, we'll catch up with you guys in just a little bit. I'm gonna do just a little bit more, obviously get her, a little more trued up there. Alrighty, guys. Like I said, I know it's rebar. I'm smoothing it out a little bit. It's not a structure part, but it'll just keep the back, and it's something to grab onto. And if he does slide back, it will hold him up. I probably should gusset this. I don't know how I'm gonna plan that out yet. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. It's kind of just a hodgepodge of videos or clips and stuff I put together because I was getting those kind of advertised. All right, not looking too shabby. A little bit. It's like right on there. That's where I needed it. Cool. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna get a little more done on this, and hopefully get this thing buttoned up real soon. I got a few little things for it. Still waiting on the new air filter, and yeah, got to get her cleaned up, painted, and should be ready for hopefully a little bit before springtime, but hopefully there's not a lot of mud. But yeah, thanks for watching this kind of a all over the place video. I really didn't know the direction I was going to go with it. I had a whole video set up, and then I wanted to add something, you know, worth it in there so people actually want to watch it. I don't see anything crazy in there, but I don't know. You know what's crazy? You could probably, if I knew how to port things properly. Yeah, if I knew how to port things properly, you could probably make this head almost as good as that one. I don't know. They look about the same, but I think they're just open a little more airflow. Okay, no gasket. You will need that. I think that one over there has still got it partially on there. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and slide this sucker on there. Oh, I should probably take this ring off first. This piston looks tore up. So it still ran. It still ran when I took it apart. I just didn't want to deal with it anymore because she's an older motor. She was tired. So got them back together generally. Like I was saying before, gaskets, torque down, squish gap. I'm not sure on all that details. But yeah, we're going to get these sent out real soon. And stick around to the end of this video, guys. And I was going to talk about spicing this thing up a little bit more too. I got the parts in there, and yeah, stick around. Alrighty, guys. Like I was saying, when we get the tickets, not the tickets, but the stickers all set up, and if it does better than I'm expecting, I mean, obviously I hope it always does good, but if it does well and it exceeds what we have and we have to order more stickers, guys, I'm gonna spice it up a little bit for you. Yeah, nothing crazy. It's just lots of little parts that I have around, so whoever gets it can really kind of adapt it to their project or whatever they're doing. Yeah, let me show you what I got going on up here. There's more things that I have. I haven't located all of them right now, but in time, I guess we'll see those. So here we go. Clear up. There we go. We have another clutch. I don't know, a direct drive, I guess you could say. Yeah, so there's that one. It's got a little sprocket in there. And I think, yeah, I'm going to have to get back to you on the chain size. Yeah, got some transmission bolts, another intake. You probably have to get a new gasket because I had one and it looks like it got broke. I mean, I'll throw it in there just in case so you know what it exactly looks like. But another set of reeds. Yeah, another set of reeds. Even if this reed block doesn't work, I believe the reeds themselves might work on something else that you have. Another stock clutch. I'm not taking off the heavy duty clutch off the other motor because it's just not worth it for me to take it off, but here's a brand new one. And I got a bunch of clips for some sprockets. That's what the other thing I haven't found yet. So, and we got the transmission. It's got a pretty good size sprocket on here. Never been used. It's a little dirty because it's been sitting around. But yeah, we got some stuff there. And if you guys are interested in seeing this thing run before I tear it all apart and start cleaning it up, leave a comment down below. Do it soon. So yeah. Yeah, this thing's gonna be pretty sweet. I'm gonna get her shined up pretty good. But that's what I got for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm working on stickers designs right now. If you guys have any ideas, feel free to share them. I mean, if I happen to use somebody's idea for a sticker idea or whatever, I'm gonna throw them a free hat and a sticker or something. But I want to thank you guys, LD Moto. This is kind of just one of those days, and thank you. We'll see you guys next time. Alright, I'm trying to make this quick. Hopefully she starts up. It's been a while, and the gas might be off. Damn, she's got a lot of compression.